Right?
Need my money first.
Okay, they are lying. It's not an issue of rice, right?
You have no nothing to talk except to take me to the office. That is
Without any reason, right?
alas, the reason is money.
Money only, not rice.
Yeah, not rice, money.
Why the agency they says it's a rice issue?
Everything they send it to you. Everything they send it to you on your phone. And they talked with you. You told them that you give me the money and that yet you didn't give me my money.
No, I give you your money.
Which
We have
money?
a proof here.
Which money?
We have the proof.
The first month only. That is the list only.
Yeah.
But these 3 months, money.
Yeah, okay. In this 3 months, you told us 60 times in this 3 months that you need to go to agency without any reason.
First time I was fighting with madam. Second time I'm fighting with you.
Third.
I don't want to end fight, please. Just do one thing for me. Take me back to the office.
So it's not a rice issue.
Colors.
It's not a food issue, right? It's a food issue or not? You are eating 10 kilo per 1 week. 10 kilo of rice.
Me?
3 chicken.
Me?
Yes, you yourself.
I eat.
You are eating everything at home.
Okay. It's okay. It is even on the contract that I have to eat. Isn't it?
Yeah, but not eating too much.
I don't eat too
Eating.
much.